Hello, compulsive hoarders. So the guy at the scrap iron yard told me tractor supply, tractor supply. So I go, oh, really? Tractor supply. First I asked him, Lowe's? No, tractor supply, tractor supply. I think these things go on sale. And he has it registered as a motorcycle trailer, so it's much cheaper than a regular trailer, and it has a tiny, tiny little motorcycle plate on it. So $99.99 plus tax, okay? So you get a little junker trailer, 1,600 pounds, and you put your plate over there. But you see, you got to put sides on it, though. I'm not going to do plywood sides. I got some angle iron steel. I'm going to have to use my welder. Bam. 4 corners, angle iron. Put like a top bar, and then you get this mesh stuff and making a big mesh trailer. And you could do like junk clean outs. I'm thinking about it. Well, my truck's freaking falling apart. Old Blue, as you see in the other video, is totally destroyed. But, you know, it works. I'm tired of going to this place over and over and over again. And then it's like 20 bucks, I think, to park it next door at the little storage lot. And then, yeah. You can go on the highway with that. Those tires are big enough. That's what I was looking at, the tires. I go, that's a good sized tire. Because a lot of them have the little freaking jet ski tires on them. Only thing I do not like is the single pole. That crap bends. You need like the, you need like an A-frame on it. Wonder if you can mod that and put an A-frame, weld it, you know, like bam, bam, for a little more tongue support. I don't know. Works though around town. I only go about 50 around town. Tie-offs. It's handy. I bought a trailer hitch years ago. I'm not using it. But thinking about it. That 99.99.999 can multiply into a lot. You always have to invest your money in things, dude. Just do not invest your money in nothing. Try to start a business with it. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, the junk clean out continues. I'm gonna have to go bail soon.